Alright, we are back for another FSD drive. I'm going to try to bring these to you, as many as I can. If I can get one of these out every day to work, we can see the progression of FSD over time. And today we have a rainy day. Here's the first disengagement, I believe the only disengagement of this drive, due to weather. Extreme rain caused a forced disengagement. And after that, we're back on it, and we resume FSD for the rest of the drive. It is a pretty rainy day, extremely wet, solid rain throughout the entire drive. Lightens up in a lot of spots and drives extremely well in light rain. As you can see here, it takes a very difficult but perfectly smooth left turn there. This drive has lots of backcountry roads, and right here you'll notice a disengagement. That disengagement actually was just due to a map problem. I just don't like driving down that small country road, and the maps tends to like to take me down there, but it's actually the same route to go a different way. In the future, I would love to see some options for multiple route selections. Turning onto this extremely fast-paced, large road with streetlights, going about 60 miles an hour, comes a very complicated, weird left turn that Tesla FSD has been able to completely nail perfectly every day now. Lots of improvement with the FSD versions over many updates, and now this drive becomes completely hands-free almost 99% of the time. Just enough time to put on a video while I supervise. And there you have it, another day, pulling into work, perfect drive, except for one disengagement under some heavy rain, but we'll take it because we have seen tremendous improvements with FSD in rainy conditions. And this is a great day to train on in heavy rain. And we'll see you on another one next time. Peace.